Polyscience carries a variety of sous vide accessories to provide the full solution. First, our sous vide bags. We have 6x10, 8x12, and 12x14 sizes. We also carry sous vide tanks in 18, 49, 64, and 83 liters. The 64 and 83 liter baths require 2 sous vide units for appropriate heating and circulation. Most importantly are our custom cut lids, which get you to temp faster and reduce evaporation through those long sous vide cooks. This is more effective and cost effective than using plastic wrap for that purpose. We also have travel cases for safe storage and transport of your immersion circulator. For temperature monitoring and prediction, we have sous vide foam tape and K-type hypodermic sous vide probes. We have the Polyscience Sous Vide Toolbox app available on the iOS App Store for mathematically calculating the sous vide cook time of proteins, and our cookbook, Immersed, the definitive guide to sous vide cooking by Philip Preston.